What's going on, guys? In this training video, we will be setting up your Facebook pixel. It's very important that you set up your Facebook pixel before you place any ads, as well as once you set up a Facebook pixel, you install it on all of your funnels as well as your website. That's going to help you track, build audiences throughout this process of using Facebook advertising. So what we want to do is we want to go up to Ads Manager, all tools, and we want to go to pixels. Now, we want to make sure if you do have a Facebook pixel, it will show up. If you don't, it's not going to show up. So don't believe this one has a Facebook pixel on this one. So I need to go to the ad account. Boom. And then give me 1 second and I will be able to load all of those pixels. So if I go to the extra ad account that I was running, that I was doing all the examples on, we'll be able to create ourselves a pixel. So you should have a page that pops up just like this, create a Facebook pixel. So we need to create it, and we need to hit the little button at the bottom. And all we really need to do is just name this pixel. So if this is the pixel for the ad account, perfect. We want to hit create. So we are now creating a Facebook pixel. It says we're almost done with this Facebook pixel. Let it all load up. Now, might refresh. Boom. Now it's going to give you a couple different options. We want to manually install this code ourselves. So this code that we're going to be using right here will go on our funnel, any funnel we use. It will go on our website, and it's going to go on the head tracking section. On a funnel, this is going to go under the main settings and the main head tracking. So it's on every single funnel page. Now, on your website, it's going to go under your head tracking on your website. Excuse me. Now you want to make sure that you also do turn on automatic advanced matching. Now this is going to use information that your customers have already provided to your business, as well as already provided to Facebook. So we want to turn that on and make sure that we are trying to collect all of that information from them. Then we want to go ahead, copy the code, paste it on the head tracking section, and then hit continue. Now, I'm not actually going to place this one on any page for you guys or a funnel. It depends on what you guys are using. If you're using Shopify, if you're using ClickFunnels for funnels, WordPress, any type of website builder, you want to just paste that code. It might vary. You just want to paste that code in the head tracking section. And then, guys, we're basically done with setting up a pixel. Now there's a couple of event pixels that we could add to certain things. This is a little bit more in depth with it. You can also download this pixel helper, which is an extension that you would add on Google Chrome. And this will show if you have your Facebook pixels installed correctly, if they're firing correctly, or if you're looking for potential new clients to see if their websites have Facebook pixels on them. It's a good tool to have. Now, if you're going to install any of these type of code, say you want to install a lead code on a funnel, maybe a lead to use worth $10. You want to put this on, wherever they're going to go after they put in their information. So it's normally on the second page, the second funnel step. So we want to hit send event parameters. Then we want to make it as a value of, like I said, $10. Then we want to do USD as the currency, unless you're Euro or Australian dollar. Whatever your currency is, you're going to put there. Then we're going to copy that code, and we want to install that code on the specific page that they would be going to. And that's going to be under the head tracking of that page. So if you're using ClickFunnels, this isn't going to go underneath the settings and the head tracking where you put the Facebook pixel. This will actually go on the actual funnel page that they would be hitting after they put in their information. So, for example, the second page, normally after they install their information or input their information, and you're going to install this, actually go in to edit the funnel like you're changing the funnel of the rows or columns or adding a button or whatever. you want to go up to settings, and then you want to go into tracking code, and you want to paste this code right in that tracking section right there. Make sure it's under head section and not under the body. And that's basically installing any event codes, wherever you might, be adding products, you might adding a cart, initiate checkout if they're getting ready to check out, maybe even completed the registration, maybe even to purchase something. So, you might be using some of these pixel codes, but make sure you're at least using, if you're not using the event pixel codes, you're at least using a Facebook pixel for any funnel or any type of website you have. Make sure you also keep the Facebook pixel to the specific product or service or business. So don't, if you're selling, for example, if you're selling an internet, a course, and you're selling an actual physical product, make sure they have two different pixels and not using the same pixel code. So guys, that is Facebook pixels. Now, if you are watching this on the, with the Black Box course, you might see that there is the next couple videos are locked. That is for the inner circle members only. This should be able to get you up and going. Now, there's a bunch of other stuff we can do. If you're interested in the inner circle, make sure you go all the way to the bottom and make sure you go into the inner circle access and fill out yourself a form, and we will get on the call with you and make sure you're a good fit for the inner circle. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed the Facebook pixel section, and this is a video of how to create and use a Facebook pixel.